By the end of this video, you will know how to make money on NKLA stock. With almost $300 million invested in NKLA stock just today, NKLA stock is a top watcher. According to the Motley Fool, the electric hydrogen truck maker is a divisive investment. It's a tough stock to trade. And that's what I want to get across to you, is that if you're going to trade NKLA stock, keep in mind that this stock is going to be difficult to predict. But this video is going to give you the tools that you need in order to make money off of the stock. Good news for you. NKLA stock is on the rise. The stock is at $2.52 right now. The stock is up 8.15% from where it was yesterday, and it's had a really nice recovery. Overall, what you want to see in a stock is a nice, healthy uptrend. You want to see the stock gaining value over time, and you want to see that visualized in a stock chart. Let me show you the NKLA stock chart now. What we have here in front of us is the 3-minute chart for NKLA stock. You can see visualized here the different fluctuations in stock price for NKLA stock. Up $2.95 on July 14th, and then it crashed all the way down to $2. This is where me and my traders were buying the stock. You can see the proof that we're buying in right here, and this is how my trader made over $1,000 in the stock, because the stock went from $2, it held level, and it rallied all the way to $2.66, which is our profit target. Holding level is such an important concept for stocks. If a stock can stay above a price level, then that stock can rally. Let me teach you something today. A stock that holds level is a stock that can rally. That's what I teach my pro traders every single trading day, is to look for a hold of level. If a stock does not stay above a price level, then the stock can be in jeopardy. If the stock does stay above a price level, then the stock can rally up to higher profit targets. And that's what I want for you, is for you to buy stocks that rally, that go up. Because if you buy stocks that rally and go up over time, then what is going to happen to your trading account? How is that going to affect your profits? How is that going to help you be more and more like the traders in my trading group who are making money consistently in the stock market? Now, not every trade is going to be a winner. Not every trade that you take is going to be a winner. But if you find the best stocks in the stock market and you buy them at good prices, and you have a number of different indicators that help you increase your chance of success, you'll be a profitable trader. And that's why I teach you on this channel how to look for different signals, how to find stocks, how to know what stocks to trade, and also how to avoid manipulation. Now, unfortunately, NKLA is a fairly manipulated stock, meaning that there are many hedge funds willing to short this stock for quick profits on unknowing traders. Therefore, ignore the $5 price target that many people are giving you right now in NKLA stock. Ignore the $5 price target. I don't want you to listen to other traders who don't have your best interests at heart. I want you to listen only to people who know what they're doing, who have an established track record for success. NKLA stock at $5 is not looking that great. However, NKLA can rally to about $2.78. I can see NKLA retesting the $3 level. If and only if NKLA crosses above $3, will we consider buying into NKLA for $4 or $5. But as of right now, I can see NKLA topping off at around $3, because remember, the stock is up about 500% from where it was at lows. The stock was at 50 cents, now it's at $3. So anyone that got in at 50 cents has already made 4 times their money, right? 6 times their money. So if those traders are already making money, you have to think they're ready to take profits. They're ready to sell their positions. And those traders at the bottom, they aren't stupid people. Those are the smartest traders in the world. So if the smartest traders in the world are getting in at 50 cents and they've already made 300%, what do you think is going to happen when they start selling all of their position at $3? They're up 600%, but you may be just getting into the stock right now. You can't get into stocks late. You have to wait for a stock to come to a good level to where you can get a good price for it and then sell it at a higher level. There's a reason why my traders make consistent money. There's a reason why my trader here went from a red trading account all the way to a green trading account with consistent profits in my pro group. There's a reason why Don made money today. There's a reason why Trice made money today. just coming into trading. These are brand new traders making money in trading just by being a part of my pro group. The pro group is simply my stock callouts every single day, as well as my guidance live in the stock market. If you want to join the group, jump on a call with me. Click the link in the description. You can jump on a call with me after filling out a quick form, and I will see you in the stock market. You know that you can be a profitable trader. You know this. You've seen stocks that you've been watching going up like rockets. You just need someone to help you know when to buy and when to sell. You need someone to show you which stocks are the best stocks to trade. And once you get that down, you're going to accomplish your dream. Click the video right here if you want to learn how to spot stock market manipulation.